go!
Today, Mon visits a beautiful farm. Look over there. Who's waiting for Mon? A group of adorable sheep. Mon really loves these gentle sheep.
Nó đòi ăn kìa. Con lấy cỏ nè.
Đi gần, đi gần.
They enjoy eating leaves and fresh grass. Mon picked safe leaves to feed them.
Đừng treo.
Ăn đi. Con mũi rồi giúp con em.
So cute.
Look! Mon found one sheep with very short fur. Mon thinks it's a baby sheep. But actually, this one has just been sheared to make wool. After playing with the first flock of sheep, Mon happily runs toward the stream. There's another group of sheep waiting there. It seems they're not afraid of Mon and Bun at all.
Wow.
The stream is so cool and fresh. The sheep love to graze under the shady trees. Mon looks like a real little shepherd. Look how happy he is running and playing with the flock. Mon's family sits together, relaxing and watching the sheep gently munching on the grass.
Nó có răng nhỏ. Răng của nó rất nhỏ và siêu nhỏ để mà nó ăn được.
What a peaceful moment.
Con này bị cưa này, con chăm sóc con này đi. Để trả lời về cái á, bị cưa cái chăm sóc con bị cưa.
Look at the sheep eagerly waiting for their food.
Hát có chưa? Con nào?
Ok.
Mẹ nói nha mẹ.
Yes, baby. Wow. Wow.
Có gì một con nè.
Come on, come here.
The sun has set and the farm lights are on. The sheep are ready to rest. Mon and Bun feel so sad to leave their new fluffy friends. Today, Mon had so much fun with these lovely sheep. This photo will keep a beautiful memory of Mon's childhood at a place he always wants to return to as soon as he can. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to follow Mon's next adventures.